We are in the DeWitt Hotel, and we've got ThyssenKrupp elevators here. These kind of, I don't know why, but like this looks like a place that would be in Vegas.
Yeah. Isn't there a building with a traction over impulse in Vegas?
Yeah. I think.
What building was that? I know what it is.
It's like, it's custom, right?
Yeah.
Oh, like,
I have to. You know that big fat screen like over that place?
Yeah.
There's a hotel at like the start of it.
Interesting.
That was cool.
These are nice cabs. All right, up to 27.
What are these used for?
Or,
You like
oh, you can select your floor manually with that. I don't know why, but
What's
it's.
the point of that? I don't know.
I think it's like just for accessibility.
That doesn't sound like a TK buzzer.
It's too low pitched.
Yeah.
There's no space between the numbers. Wait, I want to see if it works.
Well, it does. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. Look, you can select your floor. Where? Let's select one. That's so weird. And then, will it select? Oh, that's neat. I've never seen that.
What's the point of it?
Honestly, if I had to guess, it's because these buttons are like kind of high up.
Maybe you're a midget and you can't reach the button.
Yeah. It's for people who are only 2 feet tall. It's for unattended infants.
Back up.
Sure. 27?
Yeah. I'll get off there.
Cool, yeah. I want to get the view. Going up?
I don't know what this is.
Sorry.
You have a good day. See you all.
We said that at the exact same time.
Really?
Yeah. What's this? Let me see the speed. What are these, like 700? 700, I got it. Right on the dot. And then you'll be it. The view. Let's get a view. Oh, that hotel has something on the roof too. Anyway, that's it.